get started. What's up, Amazon shoppers? It's Michelle here with my review of this really cool Eskimo ice fishing chair. Now, this little beauty is super comfortable and very well suited for an ice shack. You can see that it's really small and compact. This triangular design of the seat is fantastic because, you know, in an ice hut, you don't have a ton of space. It's space saving. It keeps your legs closer together so you can sit right up over top of a hole when you are fishing. It has a really nice padded back and it's comfortable for leaning back when you're sitting for extended periods of time. Another cool thing about it is you can see that it comes in a handy little carrying case. The carrying case is nice, keeps everything neatly stored for when you put it in your sleigh. And there's even a strap on the back for easy carrying. That is wonderful. But even better, sometimes, you know, the wind blows and we lose the case. On the back of these chairs, you also have a nice little shoulder strap for carrying it if you happen to lose your case. These Eskimo ice fishing chairs are absolutely awesome. They are comfortable to sit on. They're great for the compact space of sitting in an ice shed, an ice hut, and they're very comfortable. They are definitely a family favorite at my house.